Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you unboxing of some of the coins that I have received. Here's an announcement I made it earlier also that as soon as I reach 1000 subscriber, I'm going to do a giveaway contest, and in this giveaway I'll be giving out some beautiful coins. So I'm requesting all of you to keep supporting me by subscribing to my channel, sharing, and if you're new to this channel, do please subscribe to my channel so that you can participate in the giveaway contest as soon as I reach 1000k subscriber. So they have in the newspaper. Okay, so this is Maharana Pratap, 1 rupee coin of Maharana Pratap, and this is from Mumbai Mint. Now the Mumbai Mint usually comes under scarce category, but now these days this coin is almost going into rare category, and very soon I will be making the video including its new market value. I've already made a video before, but now the price of this coin has increased. This coin was minted uh, from Hyderabad Mint and Mumbai Mint. So this is a two mint coin, and these two coins are from Mumbai Mint. Next, I have one more, and I think this is a coin of small farmers, set of three coins. So whatever coins I'm unboxing, I'll be making out the videos with its new market price. So this is a set of three coins. This coin was minted from Mumbai, Kolkata, and Hyderabad. Mumbai and Hyderabad comes under scarce category, and the coins from Kolkata Mint comes under rare category. Now, apart from this, I've attached. There's one more unboxing. There's the second part of the unboxing video. So very soon I'll be making out uh, the videos of all these coins. And here is one more parcel. So I think this is a coin from Veer Durgadas. And this Veer Durgadas is a single mint coin, and it was minted only from Hyderabad. About this coin, I've already made the videos long before, but now all coins have the price of all the coins have raised. So new update on coins with a new price update. I will be making out the videos. The videos will be coming out very soon. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So this is in BUNC condition of Veer Durgadas, minted in the year 2003, and this is a single mint coin. So as I've said earlier that as soon as I reach 1000k subscriber, I'll be giving out giveaway. So make sure you subscribe if you're watching for the first time. Thank you.